Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to log in LinkedIn account if forgot password. If you forget your LinkedIn account password, you can reset it using your email or LinkedIn account number. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open the LinkedIn app or browser on your laptop. I'll be using Chrome. Type LinkedIn in the search bar. Visit the LinkedIn website. On the home page, click Sign In. Here, you can log into your LinkedIn account using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple ID, or using your email address and password. So, please enter your email address here. If you've forgotten your password, please click Forgot Password. Make sure your email address is correct. It must also be active and accessible. Click Next. LinkedIn will send you an email containing a verification code. So, please check your email. Open the email from LinkedIn. Copy the verification code and enter it in the verification field on LinkedIn. Click Submit. Now you can create a new password for your LinkedIn account. So, please enter the password first. To confirm whether the password you typed is correct, click Show. Then, enter the same password in the field below. Click Submit. If there is a red message like this, please enter a stronger password by combining letters, numbers, and symbols. And then click Submit. Your password has been changed. This means that you have successfully reset your forgotten LinkedIn account password and logged into your account. That's the tutorial on how to log in LinkedIn account if forgot password. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.